Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I splurged because of you guys, because I didn't want you to splurge on the new Charlotte Tilbury glowy stick blushes. The official name on these is the Unreal Blush Healthy Glow Stick. They come in 6 different shades and they retail for $42 a piece. I took one for the team. You do not need to buy all 6 blushes. I mean, if you want to, if you are a blush girl the way I am, I've been loving a bold blush the last year and a half, then yes, maybe you'll want to own all 6, but only if we think they're worth it. I'm going to be showing you swatches indoors, outdoors, and I'm going to be wear testing these. I won't be able to do a full 10-hour wear test because I didn't get these on time, but I'm going to do as long as I can, and I did purchase these myself on the Sephora app. So let's get started with cheek swatches. Then I'll show you guys pictures of indoors and outdoors, and hopefully I can help you guys make a good buying decision. So just some quick facts on these blushes. They're going to be providing a lit from within glow. They're going to be hydrating, smoothing, and provide a blurring effect. I'm taking this straight off the box. They're going to be a weightless second skin finish, and it's going to glide on effortlessly with a balm-like texture. Now, I don't always like to apply directly to the skin. I usually like to do my brush or maybe apply these to the back of my hand just because I don't want it to affect the foundation and or concealer that I have on. Now, my cheeks are not set. They just have foundation and concealer on them. So this first shade that we're going to go in with looks beautiful. This one is called Peachy Glow. Again, there are 6 different shades. That is a lot of payoff right off the bat. Wow, that was one little swipe, and that's all you need. I'm going to be curious to see if these dry down or if they stay a little tacky, which I hope they don't. You guys don't understand the heat and humidity down here in South Texas. It is unreal, unreal. But okay, that's Peachy Glow. That looks beautiful. Beautiful. Let's move over to the left side and let's swatch another one. I do want to point out that these are refillable. All you have to do is you just pull on it and there's the refill component. So, and then you just push it, snap it back in like that. So this next one, oops, I got some on my finger. This one is called Rosy Glow. Get some on my brush. I have 2 different brushes going on. I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand because I feel like I dipped in a little too heavily. Wow. Okay, that is some serious pigment. I see a little bit of purple in this one. That's beautiful. You can see the swatch on the back of my hand. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. And these, I don't feel like they're lifting the foundation at all. And I'm just stippling it in with my Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush Brush. This is one of my favorite brushes for blushes. Okay. Rosy Glow, Peach Glow. What do you guys think? I love them both. I think I'm a little bit bigger a fan of the peach one. Okay, let's move on to the next 2. So this next one is called Cherry Glow. And I dipped in really light-handed because this looks like it is super pigmented. Okay, maybe I can dip in a little harder. I really do like a bold blush. This is obviously going to be a little bit more red. And that is really, really pretty. Very buildable. I don't know. For some reason, I don't feel like this one is applying as well as the other 2 did. This one, again, Cherry Glow. This one is just okay. So this next shade is going to be Berry Glow. I like that we're getting some shades that can work for deeper skin tones. And for those of us with a lighter skin tone, we just need to use less product. No big deal there. But I also like that these seem to be building up. That is a true berry color. I think that looks really, really pretty. Yeah, I definitely like the way this one applied better for some reason. Cherry Glow, I don't know. These are very close in shade, and I tried to pair them kind of that way. That way you guys can see, you know, if there's a distinct difference between the two, but I actually think these two could pass for one another. So this is Cherry and this is Berry. Now we have Pink Glow, and this looks like a true hot pink shade. Ooh, yes it is. It is a Barbie pink. That is so cute. These don't have a scent either, which is good. Maybe just like a, no, that's my brush cleaner. Never mind. Okay, that went on really nice. I definitely see the pink, and it's definitely something that you can sheer out. Oh, that looks good. I really liked this one. Next, we have Pretty Glow, and this is like a lilac shade. This is gonna go good with my dress. Ooh, nice. I think these two would be really cool layered together, and I think that's how I'm gonna wear test them today, just so that I don't have to remove one cheek, my makeup from one cheek. Oh, that's pretty. I love the glow I'm getting from this one. This is a lilac blush done right. Sometimes lilac blush, purple toned blush can leave you looking like you have a bruise on your face, but this one seems to be working really well on my skin tone. All right, so this one was Pretty Glow and Pink Glow. I'm gonna add a little bit of this one on top right here. And this is how we're gonna wear test it today. And then I'm gonna go in with the pink over here on the left side. So this is gonna be the look, a mixture of pink and Pretty Glow, new blush sticks from Charlotte Tilbury. I'll be back in a few hours and we'll see how the blush is holding up. So far, you know, it doesn't feel that tacky. It feels a little tacky, but not super tacky. I have high expectations for these. They were $42. They better work. I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, so this is the 6-hour check-in with these new Charlotte Tilbury glow stick blushes. I'm sitting in front of a window, but I still have my little ring light on up here. But the blush is on and it's not tacky, it's not sticky. It did dry down. Maybe there's like a hint of tackiness, but it's not like it's icky, gooey. My hair is not sticking to it. I think the pigmentation lasted. I wish I had more time to wear test this for you guys, but of course I want to get my video up so you guys can make a good buying decision. I love this color combination. This was glowy pink and pink glow and pretty glow. Those are the two shades I have on, and I really love the peach shade. I would say those are my favorite. The only one I had a slight issue with was Cherry Glow, but that could have been my brush. You know, I was cleaning off the brush in between doing the cheek swatches and stuff. I think they all swatched out really nice on my arm though, and they looked really good in the sunlight. So let me know your thoughts. This is a pricey product at $42 each. That's a commitment right there, and I bought all 6 shades so that you wouldn't have to. But let me know which ones were your favorite. Are you gonna pick this up? I think you can get something similar at the drugstore when it comes to e.l.f. and their I like their putty blushes over their liquid blushes. And I definitely think a better dupe option, kind of more consistent with the formula, would be Milani and some of their liquid and cream blushes. Not necessarily spot on with the shade, but close enough. So think about those two brands if you're not going to want to spend the $42, which I don't blame you, but if you're a Charlotte Tilbury fan, this is not going to be a problem for you. You're probably going to buy all 6, but let me know in the comments. Look, there's sister right here. Say hi, sister. And thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.